Let's look into the next type of questions. Questions related to time and work. The basic concept to tackle such questions is to consider work as one unit. So, if a man takes X days to complete a work, then the man's 1 day's work equal to 1 by X. Keeping this in mind, let's look at some examples. Sarah can make a quilt in 5 days and her daughter Sadia in 10 days separately, but when their neighbor Salma joined, all three completed the task in 2 days. How long will Salma take to complete the work alone? The answer options are A. 5 days, B. 8 days, C. 2 days, and D. 3 days. In this question, the work in hand is to make a quilt, and it is given Sarah completed this work in 5 days and Sadia took 10 days to complete the work. So, like I said earlier, Sarah's 1 day's work will be equal to 1 by 5 and Sadia's 1 day's work will be equal to 1 by 10. It is also given Sarah, Sadia and Salma together take 2 days to complete the work. So, their total 1 day's work equal to 1 by 2. Now, what was the question? How long will Salma take to complete the work alone? To determine this, we need to find out Salma's 1 day's work. How do we find that? By subtracting Sarah's and Sadia's 1 day's work from the total 1 day's work. That is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. That is Salma's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 5, which means Salma takes 5 days to complete the work alone. Okay? So, in short, if A, B and C are doing a work and you are asked to find out the time taken for C to complete the work alone, then you just have to subtract A's and B's 1 day's work from their total 1 day's work. This is one of the basic type of question that is usually asked for aptitude tests.